If you're involved in a car crash and your vehicle needs to be repaired, a lot of the times we get asked, should I pay my deductible and have my insurance company cover the repairs to my vehicle or total my vehicle out if necessary? That answer is complicated. A lot of the times, if you're lucky enough to have enough money to cover your deductible, it is a lot faster to run your property damage claim through your own insurance company because it will go faster, your vehicle will get repaired quicker, and then all you have to do is sit and wait for your insurance company to go after the at-fault driver's insurance company to get paid, and then your deductible will be returned. However, if you do not have that money, or you just simply do not want to pay your deductible, you do not have to. We at Horst Shewmaker help our clients out all the time with their property damage claims against the at-fault driver's insurance company. In that situation, you don't have to pay your deductible to get that claim compensated and to get your car fixed. So, long story short, if you have the money, it's a lot of the time it's easier to pay your deductible and get your car repaired quickly so you're back to work, back to running your kids around and doing what you need to do to get on with your life.